Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend in the start of the week, we came to analyze for you the market, the opportunities we see, and the opportunities we're going to enter in them. So, by the way, if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe in our channel and to finish the video till the end, because there is very informative information in that video. And I don't want you to miss it. And if you like it and you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and write a nice comment down, because that will encourage us to make nice content like this. And by the way, if you are a newbie or someone beginner, you just want to start trading, down below there is a 90% or 95% this time coupon link to my course, to one of the best selling courses in Udemy. You just buying $12 and the information you're going to learn there is very high, and it costs a lot of money, but for you it's just $12 and it's a 7 hours course. So go and enjoy it before it's finished and the time's up. So my friend, let's start by the lesson of today. So the first pair we got, my friend, is British Pound USD. And that one, as we said it last week, we said it's going to go up. And if you are from a Facebook group, we buy from here, we buy from here, then we buy from here, then we back all the money. I think that's other story. So now our view to it is going to fall down, but not yet. Maybe from that 1.38115, or from here from 1.38624. So it's still a upward move till it's going to touch that small channel as you see it, that one, or that trend line, and it's going to fall down to the downside. That's just our analysis, and you, before you enter in, you need to use a very strict money management strategy. I don't tell you just enter like that. And by the way, if you don't know nothing or you don't know any money management strategy, in my course there is 3 money management strategies. You can choose one from them and start trading by it, because without money management you can be successful as a forex trader. Remember that you can be successful as a forex trader without money management. Forget about all the fibs, is it in YouTube, in the media, all those things. Without money management you can be successful as a forex trader. So let me analyze for you the RSI, my friend. As you see here, what the RSI given us, that divergence here, and here the price is pushing up till that place. It's make a small correction. Now our view for it is going to go up till the overbought area. Then from there you can enter sell, but not yet. Remember that, not yet. We enter sell only when it enter here in the overbought area, and maybe give you a divergence like that from here to here. Then you enter. That's it for that pair, my friend. The other pair we got is the EURUSD. The EURUSD, the one, our view to it is going maybe to fall down till that level to 1.171, or from the level where it is now, from 1.17581, it's going to go up till 1.18191, here till 1.18664. Or it might is going to go till 1.19593. Then from there it's going to fall down. You enter sell. If it reaches to that level, you enter sell and your eyes is it closed. Because the market as you see it now, let me show you something. It came, it make big moves, then it started making those small structures like that. And here when it's getting smaller like that, that means there is a upward move. But that upward move, it will not go up the EURUSD for long run it will fall down. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. In the RSI, as you see that when me I told it will go up. If you see here, we got a divergence. So our view, the RSI need to touch that line of divergence. Then from there, you're going to enter buy. Take profit of you is going to be at the overbought area. Same story here. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is the Aussie Australian dollar or Australian dollar US dollar. And that one, as you see, we got here a trend line. Every time it touch it, it fall down. Every time it touch it, it fall down. As you see it here, 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 here. And now the price, here it came and touch it again. So our view to it, it will fall down again. Before that, let me analyze for you in the chart to tell you everything about it. That one, our view to it will go up and touch that level 0.73931. Then from there, it's going to fall down. Can take profit at 0.73200 or at 0.72865, and don't risk too much, or it will go up again till that level, till 0.74307, and from there it will fall down. I think all the levels in front of you, and if it go till here, till 0.74903, we enter sell. So our view to it, it will fall down again. That's it, my friend. Let me show you in the RSI to be the picture more clear. As you see here in the small time frame, we got here a divergence. So that's why the price it push up like that. But as I told you, the trend line, that one, every time the RSI touch it, it fall down. As you see it here and here and here. And now it touch it, so our view, it will fall down again. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So you enter in the Aussie USD or the Aussie, you enter only short. There is no buy. Everything is very clear, my friend. As you see, my friend, in the USDCAD, we got here a channel. Here it is, and here. So every time the price it touch it, it fall down. It touch it here. Look what happened. It fall down when it touch it down. It go up till it touch up. Now it came. It's near to touch it, but it haven't. So our view to it, it will come down and touch that down of that channel, or that level 1.124,891. Then from there it will go up. You can take the first target at 1.126,835, second one at 1.27,490, or you can leave it to go up. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI, the picture to be more clear. In the RSI, as you see, my friend, we got here at a divergence. Here it is, and that will make that price to fall down all that much from here till here. So our view, it will go down to the oversold area. Then from there, it will go up and touch that divergent line. I think everything is very clear. So you, when it enter here to the oversold area, you bought it, take profit, is it at the overbought area. Everything is very clear, nothing hard. So the other pair we got, my friend, is USD Japanese yen. And the one, as you see, even him, we got a channel here, as you see it, but it haven't finished yet, only from the downside here and here. So also we expecting for it to go up and touch the upper line of the channel. And is it a down channel? As you see, the prices came till here. So our view, it will go up and touch it here, or maybe it will stay like that here, like that. Till it will touch it somewhere here. That just analysis of us. So by the way, in USD Japanese yen, you enter only short in it. for the moment. Can enter from where it is the price now, 110.615 or from 111.149. Can take profit at 109.825 or 109.181. I think that's it, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI to be the picture more clear for you. As you see here in the big picture, let me unzoom it like that to be more clear for you. As you see here, we got a divergence. Here it is, here at the big picture. So every time it touch here, it fall, it touch here, it fall, it touch here, it fall. So our view, it will go up and touch it again. Then from there, you enter short. And down here, we got a small divergence, that one. As you see it, that will push the price all that long. So also, we are expecting for it to touch that the upper divergence. Then it's going to fall down to down. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The last pair we got, my friend, is the gold. And that one, what can we say? Our view for it, it will go up a little bit. Then from there, it's going to fall down. And I will tell you why. Let me unzoom it first. Sorry. So our view, it will go up and touch that level here at 1,833.23. And from there, it's going to fall down to here to 1,770. Then from here, it will go up again. And I will tell you why. That's just our analysis and our view to it. And you can use your trading strategy or your trading system, as we said, my friend. And I will tell you why all that. Sorry. Because that it's a trend line, as you see it. The price is going up. It touch it that the first time here, second time here, third time here. So our expectation to it will go up and give you a W or a M. It will come down and touch it again. And from here, it will go up higher than that. Because the pandemic and everyone know the gold is the safe haven. And anyone who got money, he put his money in the gold. So at this moment, we will make a small correction, but in the long term or all the year, the gold is going to be bullish. There is no selling in the gold. Remember that there is no selling in the gold. But for short term, as I told you, it's up to you. You can take that upward move, or you can wait in for a signal to enter in short for it for small time frame for 1 week. Then from here you enter buy, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI to be the picture more clear for you. As you see, my friend, that the daily, because the gold you need to analyze it in daily. We got here the trend line, as you see it. That one is like a triangle, the gold given us here. And here we got a small divergence, as you see it. So us, we watching is going to come down and touch that down of that triangle, and from here it will go up again. So that our view to it, that for daily, for 4 hours, that was me. I told you, I'm just bullish in the gold. There is no bearish in it. But for 4 hours, let me analyze it for you. For 4 hours, as you see here, we got that divergence here, cause here and here. Over here in the chart, it's giving you it's going to go up. In the 4 hours, it's given us it will fall down. So our view, it will fall down and touch that level here, and from here it will go up. I think everything is very clear, my friend. And that's what I told you. I told you it's going to make a small correction. Maybe from here it will go up and touch here, then it will fall down to that level. So it's up to you to check whatever you want. I just analyze it for you. And the decision to take any run you want is up to you. If you want to take that upward move, you can take it. You make a little bit of profit. If you want to wait in to take the downward move from that level, it's up to you. But me, personally, I will not enter in it short. I will just wait it here. I will put here a pending order at 1770. And the target is very high. It's said here at 1952. That for all the year. And me, the gold, I don't trade it in CFD, I trade it in spot. That's another story. I think everything is very clear, my friend. And that's it for that week. And by the way, if you want our daily signals, so you can join our Facebook group. We put everything free there. There is no paying monthly fees, no nothing. We give people our daily trades, all the deals we enter in them, even in the Bitcoin. Everything is there and everything is free. You don't need to pay nothing. You can join us now and start benefiting from that and make some serious money. Maybe in the future you will regret for that when you're going to find it is being paid. I think that's it, my friend. So see you in the next week, my friend. Bye for now.